The Thrive Forward Initiative is a four-session online workshop designed to help you shift from anxiety about aging to a place of confidence, peace, and excitement about what lies ahead. It's not just about aging gracefully. It's about creating a future that you want to step into. Thrive means to flourish, and in this workshop, that means flourishing physically, financially, and emotionally. Forward is moving in the direction you choose toward the future reality you envision for yourself. Initiative is about taking the first step to make it happen. In middle age, often there is the dread that something negative about getting old will happen to us, and we hope that it'll be a long time before we need to worry about such things. The reality is that we have more power, control, and influence over the second half of our lives than we can imagine. The decision to thrive forward provides access to the significant power that you have to influence your future and make your later years positive. Through the 4 Thrive Forward initiative sessions, you'll gain insights, tools, and skills to handle later life's challenges with confidence. You'll develop a calm composure that minimizes anxiety, and you will discover a genuine sense of excitement about the future. It's more than just aging well, it's about thriving into what's next. Hello, I'm Austin Grady, a certified life coach and founder of the Savvy Elderhood Movement. My specialty is conscious longevity, living each day with purpose, clarity, and vitality so that life grows richer as we age. In fact, 84% of my clients reported having the best year of their lives last year, and I want that for you too. I'll be your guide through the Thrive Forward initiative, where we'll explore how to turn back your biological clock, deepen relationships, and release fears about aging. I can't wait to help you make every year your best year yet. In 2025, for the first time, financial worries like inflation and losses in retirement savings have become the top concern for Americans over age 50. Adults between the ages of 50 and 75 now have health concerns that go beyond the chronic diseases of aging. Worries now include getting affordable health care, loneliness, and confusion about what to believe when health information and misinformation spreads rapidly. A key distressing concern for many adults is the uncertainty of the future, specifically regarding the security of Medicare, Medicaid, and Social Security. Then again, headlines about new policies like Project 2025 intensify this anxiety. While we can't control political or policy changes, we can control our preparation, choices, and the stability we create in our own lives. The Thrive Forward initiative helps you build clarity, resilience, and confidence no matter what's happening. So, how do you make life choices when the information you need to make those choices simply isn't there? How do you move forward when circumstances feel entirely out of your control? And what do you do when even the so-called experts are really just offering their best guesses? These are the very challenges we take on in the Thrive Forward initiative, and together we ask the tough questions and begin to build a real, practical answer base. Because here's the truth. Becoming a savvy elder isn't about having every answer at your fingertips. It's about learning how to navigate uncertainty with clarity, confidence, and courage. And when you have those tools, life's unknowns no longer hold you back. They become the path to your growth. What I call your core of magnificence is that divine spark at the very center of who you are. It is the deepest truth of your being, It's your soul, your inner compass, your higher self. Think of it this way. Just as every snowflake is unique, your core of magnificence is one of a kind. It expresses itself through your natural gifts and inner strengths, the things about you that you do naturally and with ease that others recognize as special or extraordinary. This inner core never leaves you. Even when fear, doubt, or uncertainty cloud your vision, your core of magnificence remains constant, a quiet wellspring of wisdom, guidance, and creativity that you can touch whenever you pause and listen. Its role is not to lead you down the easiest path, but the truest one, the path that aligns your life with your highest purpose. It is a force that helps you grow into your most authentic self. In the Thrive Forward initiative and in the journey of Savvy Elderhood, your core of magnificence is the foundation. True wisdom in elderhood is not about having all the answers. It is about courageously living from this core with clarity, with joy, and with the confidence that the magnificence at your center is always guiding you. So, what exactly is a savvy elder? A savvy elder is someone who trusts and follows the guidance of their core of magnificence. You already follow this guidance sometimes. Savvy elders follow it consciously. That's what makes them truly savvy. It's not just about age or experience, it's about tapping into their deepest wisdom and letting it shape the way they live. Savvy elders use this guidance to make conscious choices about the life they want to create. They understand that free will, beliefs, and personal power aren't just concepts. They're the forces that shape reality itself. And the result? They enter this stage of life with confidence, composure, and passionate excitement, ready to live a long, healthy, and deeply fulfilling life. The savvy elder lives with wisdom, abundance, power, and joy, guided by their core of magnificence. So, what would living more than 100 years truly be worth to you? In session one, we start by envisioning the future you're excited about, and then connect that vision to your own core of magnificence and making it real and attainable. Fears and doubts about aging or making this conscious connection are welcome because these fears, these doubts, these worries are the fertile soil that open the door to trust and transformative change. Through guided exercises and meaningful conversations, you'll begin to experience your own magnificence. And that's when your fundamental transformation begins. Money is the top concern about aging for Americans over 50, which is why Session 2 takes on financial security in a whole new way. Session 2 is a conversation about money, where we'll explore what kind of guidance you truly need for the years ahead. By connecting with your core of magnificence, you'll uncover the strengths and opportunities already within you. When money stress lightens, you gain the freedom to design not just a secure future, but your very best years ever. Session 3 is about one of the greatest powers we hold, the power to take full responsibility for our own health. When we align our health choices with inner guidance, something remarkable happens. We can slow or even reverse our biological aging, and we can restore our vitality and prevent disease. Thriving forward means treating health as sacred through how we eat, move, rest, manage stress, and care for our bodies. What sets a savvy elder apart is learning to let their core of magnificence guide those choices and creating a life of strength, joy, and purpose at every age. In our final Thrive Forward session, we celebrate the heart of a vibrant life, our relationships. These connections have the power to uplift us, bring deep joy, fill our lives with meaning, or leave us depressed, feeling drained, and upset when they are neglected. This session guides you to create authentic, savvy elder relationships with family, friends, community, and even strangers, while honoring the courage it takes to set healthy boundaries. What happens is this. As you awaken to your core of magnificence, your true self shines brighter. This naturally draws to you your soul tribe and the nurturing bonds built on trust, love, and shared purpose. Now, together, we unlock the secret to faster connections, deeper trust, and joyful opportunities that elevate every part of your life. And because this is our last official session, we'll also talk about the after party, how we continue to stay connected, support each other, invite others into this journey, and grow the Savvy Elderhood movement. Because savvy elders don't just thrive on their own, we thrive together. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the Thrive Forward initiative and the path of becoming a savvy elder. If something inside you is saying, this feels right, trust that voice. It's your core of magnificence speaking. And I encourage you to honor it by taking the next step. You'll find all the details to register for our next 4-session series right here on this page. I would love to see you taking the initiative, continuing in this work, deepening the community, and stepping more fully into the future you're meant to create. I'm grateful for your time, your focus, and most of all, your openness. I look forward to celebrating your growth, your breakthroughs, and your incredible years ahead with you. Together, let's thrive forward.